Hi my angels, how are you girls doing today? Today I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to talk to you guys and do an unboxing. I've been doing several unboxings and then we're going to come back and do some reviews, comparisons, and what's in my bags. So if you like videos like these, go ahead, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and stick with me. Check out my channel for more unboxings and more Michael Kors videos. So today I have a lovely bag from TJ Maxx. Let's go ahead, let's get started with the unboxing, or I should say unbagging. So I'm happy about this one, you guys. I have my lovely bag in here. You can kind of see it through here. I'm excited about this one. So today's bag unboxing, you've seen it in the title, is gonna be the lovely Blaire bag by Michael Kors. Isn't she so pretty? She's so cute. So this is the Blaire, and she's a satchel as well, just like the Bedford satchel. She's a little bit smaller, and it's so funny because initially I like the size of the larger Bedford satchel that I have in pale pink and vanilla, but this one is in a sage color. This one is smaller. So this is the smaller size, and initially I didn't think the smaller size was for me, but I've been noticing lately that large size Bedford can get a little bit big and bulky, and when you're out, this smaller size, I can use it much more comfortably as a crossbody. So believe it or not, I really like the Blaire. Now, one difference in the Blaire that I noticed from the Bedford satchel is that the Blaire has this front pocket right here. So the Blaire has a front pocket right here. It's magnetic, and I can stick my keys and my cell phone down in here. The Bedford satchel does not have that magnetic front pocket right there. The Bedford satchel is just a dome Boston bag type, speedy type satchel, but the little Blaire right here, its little sister, has that beautiful front pocket that's very convenient. So if you're in the line at the grocery store somewhere, you can just go ahead and stick items in the front there, and you don't have to go ahead and enter the bag through the top zip. So it's a little bit more comfortable for me, and it's smaller. You can wear it crossbody and it's not as big and bulky. It sits more flush up against the side of you. The next difference from my Blaire right here to a Bedford satchel is that the Bedford satchel has all leather handles, a top handle that's all leather and all, canvas. This bag, the Blaire, has the chain strap, the gold chain strap. I love a gold strap, and I love a chain strap bag. So this little cutie has that little glam feature in that it has the beautiful polished gold chain strap. Both of the top handles, it has the top handles, and it has an additional shoulder strap that is in chain, and it also has a leather comfort strap on it with the chain strap as well. So let's go ahead and take off some of these tags. I'm gonna be so happy to start using this baby. I waited on you guys because I was so eager to start using this bag, but I wanted to do my unboxing first. So with this one, I was patient. Sometimes I don't have the patience to wait. All of us, we're eager to get started with using our bags, but we wanted to share it. So this time around, I waited because I wanted to go ahead and share this with you girls on camera before I started using it. But this is the Blaire, and she is so cute. She does have feet under there, just like the Bedford satchel, but she's much more compact. And then she has a stripe here that's kind of like the varsity stripes that Coach did on their varsity stripe bags, as well as, I know Michael Kors, I have a Morgan tote that has this type of stripe. I call it a varsity stripe. That's what it reminds me of, because I know Coach did a varsity stripe line as well, but Michael Kors does have several lines with this varsity stripe in different colors, like a cranberry color, a brown color, yellow, blue, pink, all different colors. This is the sage. So this is called, as a matter of fact, let me take the stuffing out. And I love when the stuffing has the MK logo on it as well. Okay, let me go ahead and just take that stuffing all out so we could go ahead and look at her. And it says right here on the tag, it's light green and olive. It's light sage and olive green. And it's the medium duffel Blaire satchel. So it's light sage and olive. So I guess this is, one of these colors is light sage and one is olive. But it's beautiful sage and light olive. The bottom is in the darker color as well. Now the interior on my Freya tote, the interior is a leather. And on like some of the other bags that I have by Michael Kors have this type of interior that's a lined, like a cloth lined interior, or whatever material this is. It has a lined interior, and it does have interior pockets, so that's really good. That's going to be really good for, you know, my keys and my cell phone as well on the interior. But it's good that the Blaire has that exterior pocket. But this light sage and this olive had me at hello. I absolutely love it. This sage and light olive had me at hello, you guys. I thought it was so, so pretty, and it's gonna match up and go with a lot of my Michael Kors accessories and shoes and sandals. It'll look so pretty. You know, you have to think one is gonna be on my feet and one is gonna be on my hands. So it doesn't have to be a perfect match, but they match close enough because of the gold in the flip-flops. The gold in the flip-flops will match the gold in the handbag. So I absolutely am loving this one. So I'm absolutely loving this one right here, and I think it's going to be so, so pretty. And I definitely will come back on camera and do a comparison of both bags together. So thank you girls so much for joining me for my unboxing or my unbagging of this little cutie right here, my Michael Kors Blaire. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Michael Kors, and I'll see you guys in my next video.